Watch this video and learn how to draw a baby Batman. Later in the show, Artie gets a call from his friend, Mr. Monster. And watch to the end for one of Mikey Marker's hysterical joke breaks. Are you ready, Artie?
Yeah.
Are you ready, little artists? It's Artie's show.
Come on kids, let's run, let's brush. Grab a pencil, chalk or brush. Now let's go and make some art. Draw and paint, come on, let's start. Color, texture, shapes and lines. Making art of every kind. Let's have fun, let's have a party. Making art with our friend Artie!
Oh, hello. Welcome to Artie's show.
Hello, Artie. You know how you like Batman?
Yeah?
And you really like babies?
Yeah?
Well, let's draw baby Batman.
Whoa! This is gonna be awesome! Yeah! Whoa!
Good day, Artie and friends!
Hey kids, welcome to the show!
Should we begin, Artie? Artie,
Oh,
are you ready? Should we begin?
I think I'm ready.
Well then, let's draw this baby Batman.
Yeah, okay. Let's do it.
I wonder what Artie is going to create today.
Let's start by drawing Batman's right eye. Draw a short line at an angle in the middle of the page and then a half circle underneath. Do you remember that time Mikey Marker thought he had superpowers like Batman?
Oh, yeah.
He tried to fly down from his shelf. Now let's draw the left eye. Same thing again, a short line at an angle and then half a circle underneath.
If Artie is drawing a little too quick, you can pause the video, that'll do the trick. While it's paused, you can draw away, and when you're caught up, you can just press play. That's bananas!
Thanks, Bobby Bananas. That was very helpful. Okay, Artie, now we're going to draw the face part of Batman's mask. A curved line on the left, an angled line down to the nose, another angled line up, and another curved line on the right. Now let's draw a big curve all the way from the left side right the way across to the right. We'll do it in sections. It'll be easier that way. That's right, Artie. Keep going round. All the way round. That's good. Oh, here's Bunny Fluffington. Hi, Bunny.
Hi, Artie.
Hi.
Oh, your art makes my whiskers wiggle with joy.
Thank you.
You're welcome. Bye.
Bye.
I think she likes you, Artie.
No.
Let's start Batman's ears. Draw a big, gentle curve on the left, and then another big, gentle curve on the right. Now come up with a short line to make the ear. That's it. Do the same on the left side. Now connect those two ears together with a nice big curve, right the way across. Oh, it's already starting to look like Batman, or should I say, Batboy.
Oh, someone's calling. Felt time. Yippee! Felt time. Felt time. Felt time. Hello, Mr. Monster. What's up?
Hiya, Artie. I was just thinking, do you know what today is?
Is it Draw Something Fun Day?
Nope. Try again.
Oh, I know. It's Eat a Giant Banana Split Day.
No, it's Give Someone a Compliment Day.
Oh, well, Mr. Monster, you have the coolest shade of red I've ever seen.
Ah, thanks, Artie. You know, I have to eat just the right amount of tomatoes every single day to keep this shade of red. Oh, and Artie, you have the brightest smile I have ever seen. It's as bright as a very sunny day.
Thanks, Mr. Monster. You know, smiles are like little hugs for our hearts.
Exactly! So let's spread some more. Kids watching at home, tell someone you love something awesome about them. I bet it'll make them smile.
Great idea, Mr. Monster. And remember, every day can be Give Someone a Compliment Day.
Artie? You are so right! Oh, I'm gonna go tell my goldfish she is the best swimmer I know.
Okay, bye, Mr. Monster. Bye.
Bye, Artie. Bye, friends. Hey, Swimmy, you go, girl.
Mikey, this is so much fun.
I told you it'd be great.
Yeah.
Come on, Artie, let's finish the drawing. Now, a nice curved line along the bottom, that's going to create Batboy's chin. Keep watching, because coming up, some hilarious jokes from Mikey Marker. Let's draw Batboy's body. A nice big curved line coming down from the chin on the left, and of course, the same on the right. Very good, Artie. Now draw a straight line all the way across towards the bottom of the body. That's going to be the top of Batboy's trunks. Let's add his legs. Draw a half circle. That's it. And then straight line up. And then another half circle. Now he has legs.
Oh.
It's painty. Oh.
Oh, I love it!
Oh, Painty, you've gone and made a big old mess again. Blue paint everywhere. Well, I guess that is the colour of Batman, or Batboy, so maybe we can use some of this paint after all. Oh, I see you've added the left arm, Artie. Very good. Now add the right one, of course. Let's give him his famous cape. Draw a sort of curvy L shape on the left side, coming down from the hand. And then on the right side, a back to front curvy L shape. This drawing's very serious, Artie. We could do with a good laugh.
Oh, I would really like a joke break.
What a great idea!
Yeah.
We need a bit of a laugh, don't we?
Yeah.
Ask Mikey if he'll tell us some jokes.
Okay, Mikey, can we have a joke break?
All right, so what kind of car does a sheep drive? A Lamborghini. Why is Miss Piggy such a bad driver? Because she's always hogging the road. What kind of car does Yoda drive? A toy Yoda.
That was a great joke break. Very, very funny. Ha ha ha.
Yeah. Oh, Artie laughed a lot.
That was very funny, but should we finish the drawing?
Yeah, drawing. Okay.
Let's add Batboy's utility belt. Draw a straight line across, and then another one just underneath. Very good. Now let's draw a big oval on Batboy's chest. Let's fill that whole space up with a nice big oval. This is going to be Batboy's logo.
That's amazing.
So beautiful.
Now, do you think you could draw the Batman logo inside that oval, Artie? It's a little bit difficult. That's it. And then the other side. Oh, very good, Artie. Wow, you nailed it. Great job. Wow, Artie, I think you're finished.
I finished.
Yes, you have. This one really needs some colour, though.
Yeah, let's color it in.
Okay.
Yeah.
Come on, then.
Color it in, color it in. Color, color, color it in.
finished.
Great job, Artie. It really looks like Batman when he was a little boy.
Good.
Does this make you want to be a superhero like Mikey Marker?
No.
Or you just stick with being Artie?
Yeah, I'd be very pleased.
Me too.
Goodbye, Artie.
See you later, Artie.
Bye, Artie. Bye.
Thank you for watching. Please watch again.